Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your password in Namecheap. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open your preferred browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Namecheap. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now on the top navigation bar, you can see sign in option here, click on sign in. And here you can see option which says forget your password, click on it. Now here you have three different options to choose from. If you remember your username, you can click on this button and type in your username. And if you remember your email address, then you can click on this box here. And likewise, if you remember your domain, then you can click here. Here I am choosing this one. Now click on reset password. And here, as you can see that password reset confirmation email has been sent to your email. So reach out to your respective email and there you can find your confirmation mail. After that, follow the instruction that has been given there and you can easily reset your password in Namecheap. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.